Hi guys, we're back again. Today we're going to share or discuss a parasite issue in our pond. So if you do have problem with parasites today, I hope this video will be helpful and the information I'll be sharing will be useful. So I will be sharing the experiences and remedies that I did when I had a parasite problem. What are the solutions? Are they effective? Where can you get it? And how much are they? So thank you again for joining me today. Prevention is better than cure. That's what they always said. But sometimes as a koi hobbyist, we always encounter pond troubles, especially parasites. So keep in mind, these are my experiences and this is what I did and it works for me. But more research is very important. So the common thing to treat parasite is salt. Salt is healthcare and maintenance for koi. And if you have pond, this is useful and it can eliminate 7 out of 9 parasites. A salt concentration between 0.3% to 0.5% will upset the balance of some parasites, which eventually kill them and dehydrate them. It is also effective at detoxifying nitrates and can also control string algae if you have problem with algae. You can get a salt 40-pound bag at Lowe's and they're very affordable. It's only $8. Another thing to keep in mind using the salt, they can damage your pond plants. So if you love your pond plants, some of them might get damaged or die. If you do want to try this remedy, please have you Decoy Medic tester tool. This is to measure your pond salt by percentage or by ppm. So the tester needs 4 watch batteries and you can get it anywhere. That's not hard to find, and this tester is supposed to withstand fall or drop shocks due to accidents, so it's easy to use. When you get this tester, you get a manual on how to use it, but it's simple. You just dip it in the pond and then it will beep and you get your reading on the salt in your pond. You have an option to use a display, either the PPT or percentage after you dip it in your pond, and it also auto off if you are not using it, which is really nice. And as always, I like to buy my stuff in Amazon. You can get this in Amazon as well, and it's $89. Also, don't forget I will save a link in the description if you would like to get more information about salt application. The second product that I used before is the broad spectrum disease treatment. This is also available in Amazon for $58 per gallon. This is to use on fishes that has fungal infections. It can also treat an ick, Chelodonia, Costia, Odynium, and Trichodenia. So those are also common parasite problem in the pond. This formula or this solution is formulated with malachite green and formalin. So this is how it looks like. It's blue and it can dye your water pond. It will turn to blue. The side of the gallon has the direction of applications on the dosage, and the warning also is in there. The important thing to remember on using this product is you must remove all filtration before adding this solution. It can also be used daily and with 25% water change. Per my research, this is supposed to be the less toxic malachite and formalin product in the market. I'm not so sure. But do not use this in a pond with fish consumption. This is only for ornamental pond. If you decide to use this product, please use gloves. It can be harmful or fatal if swallowed, and do not use it with any other medication. Though we can use this in a water below 50 degrees. So if you have ick problem, this is a great product, and always follow direction. The third and last product that I had used before is the Aquaprezi. This is a koi pond treatment for flukes. So if you have flukes problem, you can use this. This is a small container for $75. Again, buy it in Amazon. So flukes are the cause of many deadly koi ulcers. So if you have sore koi, you can see it in their skin and their body has a bacterial infection on it. This is a good one for them. So here's the sample that I have. One fish with ulcer. As you can see, he has a scar. Another good thing with this product is it does not stress your koi and or set back your pond filter like other flukes treatments. It is also good for external tapeworms if you have external tapeworms. And you only need to use it once, not like other product you can use it twice or 3 times before the disease really go away. Also, this product is recommended to use in spring season and also in fall season, just to prevent flukes problem in our pond. So the Aquaprezi weight of 50 grams, it can treat 5,000 gallons water pond, and it is about $69 in Amazon, this big one. The direction and dosage of the product is in the level on the side of the container, so it's easy to follow. Go ahead and keep this product handy. This is very useful in terms of problem, especially with flu. So let's go ahead and sum up our parasite remedies and issues. So we covered some of the common parasites problem, and I shared the 3 process or remedies to do, and also the products to buy and their usage and their purpose. Again, for the last time, I'm reminding you that these products are toxic and it only used for ornamental ponds, not for consumption ponds. And always follow directions so the treatment doesn't go wrong and our fishes will be happy. Alright, that sums up our video. So thank you so much for joining me today. That is our 3 parasite remedies, and I'm hoping you're not going to have experienced this in your pond. It's not really great to have issues in a pond, but if you do, hope these products are helpful, and don't forget to share. Maybe somebody would need this information as well. Follow me on Facebook, JJ Burton, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you again on my future video. Thank you for all your support and have a good day. Goodbye.